Hey, this video is specifically for Olivia and Verena. Since you guys are in your second semester of exploratory band, I know you're already into book two, so I wanted to go through a few of the exercises that will be helpful for you to continue to grow in your musicianship. So I'm going to start with a little bit of review, and then we'll go forward. Let's look at page 4, exercise 14, salsa siesta. I'm going to play the A part this time, and you can play the B part along with me, and then I'll record the B part, and you can play the A part along with me. All right, so I'm playing the A part this first time. And 1, 2, ready? All right, now I'll go ahead and play the B part. Sorry about that page turn. I've got the full score over here, so it's a little bit more difficult. Here we go. 1, 2, ready? All right. So now we're on to page 5, and here's where we talked about some of the expressive articulations that are so important to the style that we play different pieces in. And so we have treading lightly, where we explore that staccato and kind of a separated kind of style. Do, 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 do. Feels like tiptoeing. Here we go. Let's try treading lightly together. 1, 2, ready? Alright. I think that's kind of a fun piece of music. And then, still tonguing, but the opposite of that, tenuto. The line means full volume, full value. Play them smooth and connected. So let's look at Smooth Move, number 16. Here we go. And 1, ready? Next is shifting gears, and this is a piece where we practice both of those articulations together in the same piece. And we also have some rhythms we have to pay close attention to. Let's count through shifting gears once. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, so let's get those dynamics and the different articulations that happen in this piece. Here we go. 1, 2, ready? just kind of a neat piece for us to do through YouTube, because again, we can play this together as kind of a duet of sorts, right? Because a round is where we play the same thing but at different times. So when I get to beat 4 of the first full measure, then you can start at the pickup note to the first measure. So when I get to the circle 2, you can start at the circle 1. All right, here we go. Let's give this a shot. And 1, 2. So feel free to play that with me or to play it with me as a round. I probably should have given you a little more time to finish. I bet if you rewind that and play it as a round, I'm going to be talking over your last few notes, so I'm sorry about that. All right. And that takes us almost to the end of page 5, but we're on number 19. Now remember, back when I gave a playing test to the brand new beginners, we didn't give you guys a playing test, and so exercise 19 is one that I really want to hear you guys play individually. All right, so this is incorporating all of the things we've worked on so far. Stars, okay, looking for sharps and flats in the key signature, time signature and tempo marking, accidentals, rhythms, signs. And I know I've heard you guys play this, but I want to check up on it one more time and go ahead and get that grade in the grade book. So I've got to watch for the dynamics, the articulations, the slurs, all those different things. So let's start by counting through it. And as I count, I'm going to try to count so you can hear the articulations and you can hear the dynamics in the way that I count. 1, 2, 3. Forte, 1, 2, 3, te, 1, 2, te, 3, te, 1, 2, 3, forte, 1, off. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, te, 2, te, 3, 4, 1, 2, te, 3, 4, te, 1. All right, let's play it. 1, 2. That brings us to the end of page 5. So I hope that that is going to help you to review some of those concepts, really important musical concepts. So take the time to scroll to whatever point in this video you need to practice on the most. I'll be making more videos on each of the pages in the book to help you continue to move forward past what we've done so far. But I wanted to make sure that we're really solid since it's been so long since we've gotten to play together. So have a good time practicing, and I hope this is helpful. All right.